Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The end of watch report is the final and most critical communication bridge between outgoing and incoming engineering officers, ensuring the continuous safety and operational integrity of the vessel. Completing this documentation requires a disciplined approach to reviewing the entire watch period and distilling complex machinery performance into a clear and concise technical summary. Your procedure begins with a final round of the engine room to verify that all running parameters recorded throughout the watch remain stable and that no new leaks or abnormal vibrations have developed. As you sit down to formalize the report, you must ensure that all entries in the main engine logbook, the generator log, and the boiler data sheets are complete and initialed. The end-of-watch documentation must highlight any significant changes in machinery status, such as the starting or stopping of auxiliary engines, the transfer of fuel oil between storage and settling tanks, or the status of the freshwater generator. You must explicitly record the quantities of fuel and lube oil consumed during your watch to maintain an accurate running inventory for the chief engineer. If any maintenance tasks were performed, or if any automation alarms were triggered and reset, these events must be documented with specific details regarding the cause and the corrective action taken. It is essential to note the current status of the bilge levels and the operation of any pollution prevention equipment to ensure environmental compliance is maintained across watch handovers. Your report should also include a section on the readiness of emergency equipment, such as the emergency generator and fire pumps, confirming they are in their correct standby positions. Beyond the numbers, the end-of-watch documentation serves as a narrative of the ship's technical health, allowing the incoming engineer to anticipate potential issues before they escalate. You must describe any ongoing bridge orders regarding speed changes or upcoming maneuvers that will impact engine room operations in the next 4 hours. Accuracy in this report is non-negotiable as it stands as a legal record of your professional conduct and the ship's mechanical status during your period of responsibility. Clear handwriting and the use of standard maritime terminology are vital to prevent any misunderstandings during the verbal handover that follows the written report. By meticulously documenting the end of your watch, you provide a foundation of trust and reliability that is essential for the smooth functioning of the engineering department. This rigorous habit of reporting reflects your dedication to the safety of the crew and the longevity of the ship's machinery while upholding the highest standards of international maritime practice. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.